ago, the founders of Super Adventureland gathered for a very important meeting.
Gentlemen, we built this beautiful game path. Now all we need is a name.
I know. We'll call it Land of Adventure Super.
Of course you put your name first, Richard Land.
Well, then, what do you suggest, Frank Adventure?
Well, something that rolls right off the tongue. Adventure of Superland.
That's not bad. Not bad. Let me make one slight adjustment. We'll call it Super Land of Adventure.
Gentlemen, terrible news. We've got this telegram. Arthur All dead.
Hobbs been off?
I'm afraid so.
With our Hobbs gone, it's down to just the three of us. Super Adventure Land. Betty, put on a pot of coffee. We're going to be here.